thing I'll trust to eat a week later is probably a piece of cake. I ain't eating no meat or no broccoli casserole. I ain't eating no dressing from a week old. Sheesh. Huh. Random Rob say 3 days. That's about all I'm doing. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I'm throwing everything away. I might keep a piece of pie or something. Left lane doing something, y'all. He had that mug hollering the whole time. Maybe cake 4 days, yeah. Yeah, I ain't taking that much away, right? Hey, you got that intake, right? Oh, yeah. Okay, bet. Hey, you gotta do another one now. Man, they blowing a V6 down. It is a Mustang. Yeah, somebody keyed that car up, y'all. I don't know what he did. Probably did one of them turbo V6 burnouts and pissed somebody out. That ain't a real V8. Go back. Barbecue lemon pepper. Lane for the win. Barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. I might just give me a spray. Maybe go buy me a Dr. Pepper. I would shit my pants, fill my socks if I ate week-old meat. I don't even know. I just think something happened to me. Alright, y'all. Little Geo Metro in the building. Little Geo Metro. Look out. Look out. Okay. He doing a lot of burnout, ain't he?
Yeah.
You like that, don't you? Canelito! Oh yeah. My ankle been kind of feeling funny, y'all. I need to start back hooping. Feel like somebody done crossed me over. I'm like, when they cross me? Well, this charge I got now, boy, this is a good charger, man. This thing. I got the best charge you can get now. It done filled up my battery level all the way to 98%. Voila. I bought it for Quick Trip for $20. Just the cord though, not the whole charger. Oh, Fu Manchu, you one of them. You one of them. You one of them type of dudes, man. Ah, there it goes, right there.
Smoke another one up.
Yeah.
Fucking retarded, dude. I swear to God, man.
Oh. Yeah. Left lane for the win. All that didn't do nothing.
They said, ping, pow, pow.
Hey man, give me some, man. You know, sharing is caring. This time it ain't that free, but it's still. All right.
Ping, pow, pow, ping, 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 pow.
There goes his older brother. Appreciate the follow, Mr. Stiggs. And oh man, what's that say? Stock 122. I probably made him mad. Talk about the, he probably, man, that's how my car sound, man. What's worse than a red light? Safety. Safety.
You see her coming around you, staring at you?
To answer your question,
Oh, I was tapping it on my shoulder like, look. Okay, let's go see. Reporting here live. Wanna look? Damn, is he alright, y'all? Let me see, y'all. Let's get a report of it. Look like it ain't cut off. Come on, baby. You didn't mess it up bad, I don't think. Do it start? Okay, there it goes. Oh yeah, he alright.